In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send auto replies on Instagram. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure you are on a business or creator account. And it's a super simple thing to do, and I'll have a video coming out on my channel on how to do that. But first of all, once you've got a creator account, what you need to go ahead and do is come to your profile in the bottom right corner, and then go ahead and click on the three lines in the top right corner. And then go ahead and click on settings, and then if you've got a creator account, you'll go ahead and see an option for creator right there near the top. Go ahead and select that, and then once you've selected that, as you can see, there's an option there for saved replies. Go ahead and select that, and then as you can see, all you need to go ahead and do now is click on new saved reply, and then go ahead and write a message. So for example, you could go ahead and put one moment please, we will be right with you, or something simple like that. And then all you need to go ahead and do is put in a shortcut for this, so you could put like hello. So it's not the best autoresponder, guys, but it does a job if you are just starting out and you don't want to go ahead and pay for like external software and things like that. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.